Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called We Own the Sea. The We Own the Sea is a club collection of sharks and whales generated by 195 elements and textures, inspired by the geek universe, futuristic and always chic and classy. Before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is WOS-club.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my video on the educational network. You can go check it out. And it is one of the most amazing NFT that you're going to come across. It is called We Own the Sea Club. These are sharks and whales, and they've put together something very, very interesting and exciting. They're available on Twitter, they're available on Instagram, they're available on Telegram, and also the Discord. Guys, if you want to get reliable information about any NFT, you gotta join their Discord. So join their Discord so you can get reliable information. The launch is going to be on 15th of March and is 4 days, 12 hours, and 32 minutes away. So lock that date down on your calendars because it's gonna be massive. The We Own Sea Club is a collection of 7,777 sharks and 7,777 whales generated by 195 elements and textures, inspired by the geek universe, futuristic and always chic and classy. From 6 to 11 character traits, each background: shark skin, fin accessories, teeth, tattoos, clothing 1, neck accessories, clothing 2, head accessories, and mouth accessories are just a few examples. Each piece is original with its own colors and design. The goal is to make each shark and whale unique in order to get it privilege, quality over quantity. That is why all sharks are exceptional quality and fully 3D, but some are even more rare than others. The first impression you get of these sharks is absolutely brilliant. The artistic approach that's gone into developing them, and how amazing do they look. And obviously there's a lot of artistic approach that has come in creating these amazing NFTs, but you gotta know their road plan. You gotta understand their road plan before you do anything. With the invitation challenge, they got 10,000 Discord members and 5,000 Twitter followers, and the invitation challenge will be on the whitelist, and it is ongoing. With a giveaway of 1,500 whitelists earned before the launch, plus giveaway NFTs, access to the channel dedicated to you of Sharks whitelist, with a pre-sale mint of 1,500 whitelisted sharks, and of the 177 reserved for the marketing price of 0.15 Ethereum, excluding the Ethereum gas fee. The date is March 15th, 2022 at 11 UTC, with a public sale which is gonna go on of the remaining sharks is gonna be for 0.16 Ethereum. At 50% the mint, a hammerhead shark limited edition watch worth $13,500 will be offered to a random shark holder. And obviously at 40% sold out of the 7,777 NFT sharks, the We Own Sea Club will offer $50,000 charity donation to the Sea Shepherd Association, the seashepherd.org. I'm going to put the link. You guys got to go check it out. They have a strategy put in place. They know what they're doing to get this particular NFT huge, and they will literally capture the sea, and they're gonna be on open sea, guys. So obviously the sharks gonna beat them up. For the protection of the seas and the precious fins of our sharks, including the untimely removal of shark fins around the world, and fight against shark finning. So they are a social group. They understand what needs to be done, and they're giving back to the community. They're giving back to the charity. And in the secondary market, 6%, 40% to give gifts to random holders, and 30% of it's gonna be for charity. And they have an online merchandise store as well, which is gonna be opening exclusive online merchandise stores of the We Own Sea Club is unlocked. Products such as t-shirts and hoodies and other limited edition goodies. You will also be able to have your shark printed on a plexiglass to display in your channel or in your boss's office. And obviously a week in one of the most beautiful hotels in the world, the Ritz in Paris, France, worth 20,000 USDT given to a random shark holder who will have kept the WOS We Own Sea Club shark for at least 2 months. So obviously there is there's a lot of strategy that has gone behind developing these amazing giveaways. And obviously the launch of the whitelist of the collection number 2, Whales of the Sea, and presentation of the first visual with 1,500 slots will be available. As for the sharks, access to the Discord channel dedicated to you, and at the pre-sale mint of 1,500 whitelist, and Rolex watches for the public sales. So basically at the public sale, the remaining whales at the price of 0.16 at 50% of the mint, 3 Rolex deep sea oyster watch still worth $13,500 will be offered to 3 random whale holders. So obviously you're gonna get gifts, you're gonna get giveaways, and you're gonna be proud owners of a particular NFT that's got the potential to blow every other NFT out of the water. And once it's all sold out, the 7,777 NFT whales, the WOS Club will offer $50,000 charity donation to Association of the Protection of the Ocean to worldwildlife.org. They're going to be holders and charities, which is going to be available, and at 100% the breeding is going to start as a sign of the protection of the oceans. The natural takes as rights of the young, and collections are about to come out to the sea. Every holder of the collection, 1 shark, 2 whales will automatically be offered an NFT from collection 3. The secondary market is going to be available with 30%, which is going to go to charity, and 40% is going to be for the gifts to the random holders, and that is going to give birth to some light of day. The sales of these births will create profits for charity, and obviously the team behind all of this is absolutely brilliant, from the CEO and the co-founders and the CFOs and the community manager and the blockchain consultants. These guys have got the experience, they understand and know the NFT space, and they've been in NFT space for a very long time. So if you guys are thinking of investing in a particular NFT, this NFT you gotta invest in. Their team is absolutely brilliant. So please guys, definitely mark this date down, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and guys, stay tuned for my next video. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.